time for another mystery sound. So let's get ready. I have a piece of paper. I folded in half. Got a pen. You can use a pencil. I'll take a pencil. And you're going to write this on the paper. You're going to write loud, L-O-U-D / soft, S-O-F-T. Okay? Then you're going to write a dot and a slash and a line. That's a dot, means short, and a line means long. Loud. Do you remember F on my rug? We haven't learned this yet. I shouldn't tell you. F means loud and P means soft. I'll just put it in the parentheses in case your older brothers and sisters know. Don't have to do that. Short and long, loud and soft. Let me see. High and low. High, low. You can do smooth, smooth and jerky. What else could we do? Speak and sing. How can we write that with pictures? Anyway, speak starts with an S and ends with a K. And sing starts with an S and ends with a G. So I'm just going to do that. Speak and sing. And I think what I'll do is I'll make a little circly checklist for you so you don't have to write this down every time. But this is just something we could do. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slow, fast. Do we have slow, fast? We don't. S-L-O-W / F-A-S-T. So as we listen to our mystery sound, we're going to figure out if this is a loud sound or a soft sound, short or long, high or low, smooth or jerky, speak or singing, fast or slow. Listen, here's our sound. Do you think you know what it is? I'm not going to tell you, but I think you probably know what it is. Anyway, was it loud or soft? I think it's kind of in the middle. So I'm just going to circle this between them. All right, short or long? So I think there's more than one of these things going on. And it's long, short, 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 long, short, short, short. But there's a bunch of them. So I could do a long, short, 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 long, short, 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 short. So I just kind of did that. All right. High and low. High and low. The short ones, they tend to go boo, 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 boo. So they might be little, all right, I'm going to try to. And sometimes the long one goes, boo, boo, pew, 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 pew. Okay. All right, now we want smooth and jerky. So it seems like the long one is like a smooth. Yeah, and if you've ever seen these things, they tend to fight on the beach over shellfish. So they might be having an argument there. Okay, so smooth and jerky. It's kind of smooth, jerk, jerk, jerky, 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 jerky. All right. Now, is this the type of thing that, what kind of color would I use? What kind of color would suit this sound? Think of what colors. I got some nice colors here. I got pens today. This is nice because it's a bright sound. Ooh, but you would hear this at the beach. So there's blue and there's green. And this is another green. And then there's kind of a sandy brown. Oh, you might want to use pens. You could use your crayons if you've got some crayons, some colored pencils. Anything you want to use. Pick a color that sounds like this. Now think slow and fast. Slow or fast? Now draw a picture of the sound. Not the seagulls, not the ocean, and not the beach. Don't draw a picture of the place. I want to see going up, going down, short, long, smooth, and jerky. It's going to look like a wild painting. It might be small. You might want to use just part of your paper. You could use the whole paper. You could use the top half of the paper only. If you think it's a high sound, that's how you could show high. Try to show as many of these things as possible. Loud, soft, short, long, high, low, smooth and jerky, speaking, singing, fast and slow. And I'll go and make up a worksheet today so that we don't have to write these over every time. Enjoy the rest of your day. I miss you.